Hey everybody, welcome to the Crafty Bee Budgeting channel. It's me, the Crafty Bee. Today I just wanted to do a quick video showing y'all how to make your own saving challenges in Canva. Um, there's a lot of people who make content on saving and budgeting and tracking expenses and all that on YouTube. And they have Etsy stores and websites that offer all the different challenges that you can do. They look pretty fun, but if you're on a tight budget or if you want something specialized that you just want to create yourself, you can use Canva to do that. And I'm going to show you a couple of different challenges that I made. It only took me about probably 15, 20 minutes. I kept messing up and then I figured it out, but it was real easy once I figured out how to get it all set up. Okay, this right here is Canva. You will need Canva Pro. Some of the graphics and some of the templates are only available with Canva Pro. It's like $13 a month, and you can go in here and design any and everything that you want. Okay, let me show you here. What you can do, you go into the search bar and go to Savings Tracker. Now this has over 150 different templates. You can just pick the ones that you're interested in. Savings tracker, the date, the amount that you want to save, little notes. This one's available. Um, Also, the money pot one. Uh, you can label it. You can change the wording. Money pot can go to honey pot. You can add your name to it. You can put amounts in each jar, all that good stuff. But I'm going to show you a few of the ones that I've done. These are the ones that I've done right here. Now, what this one is, let me make this a little bit bigger. What this is the money pot one. If you want to switch up um, the name, the font, all that stuff, you can go up here and you can change it from money if you want to honey. You know, you can add your name. I added my name to it right here. I added the little bees. You can go in here under elements and then you can go type in what you're looking for. If you're looking for bumblebees, I was looking for bees. And then you can see all the different graphics and, choose the one that you want. Or if you're looking for, if you want to bling it out, uh, diamonds, pink diamonds, you can find all the different graphics. If you see something that says Pro with the little crown, this is only a graphic you can use if you have Canva Pro. That's that $13 a month, $12.99. So if you sign up for Canva, make sure you get that. I don't have an affiliate code or anything like that, but I'm telling you, it is well worth it. I've been using this for all the different stuff I've done with my business, also designing my banners and whatnot on YouTube and everything else. But here's one of the challenges. It was called Money Pot. I kept the name. I added my first savings challenge. I've saved in the past, but I've never actually done like a challenge before. I just kept all the little honey jars and put random amounts in here. I added it up on my calculator and then gave me a goal deadline of June the 1st. Also, here's a saving tracker. This one had all the little pigs, and there's 35 pigs, and each one is $10. So I'm gonna print this out. Whenever I have $10, I'm gonna fill in one of the little pigs and add $10 to my envelope. And once I fill up all the pigs, I know I'll have 350. The 100-day challenge. I'm gonna do a whole nother video on this, but I'm extra, y'all. I like to go big or go home. I'm that type. So this 100-day challenge, I'm going to attempt this, but I want to do it $30,000. So that's going to be the setup for that. It's going to be a whole nother video in itself. But my goal for 2023 is to save $30,000 on this 100 days challenge. And the thing about this, I think it might be more of a 100 envelope challenge than 100 days. I'm gonna do 100 envelopes, from now until December the 31st. And my goal is to save 100, well, 100,000. Who goes? But $30,000, y'all. I'm getting everything together now, as in putting my whole little kit. I'm waiting on different things coming in. I order off of eBay and AliExpress to get everything set up, because I'm gonna do my challenge, but I'm gonna make sure I record it so y'all can follow me on my journey to $30,000. So I might change this to the 100 envelope challenge. The goal $30,000 by December the 31st, 2023. And but yeah, these are the different. Let me go out here so I can show y'all how to. Well, I can show you right here. Oh, my thing is acting funny. Oh, that's why. Okay, this right here. Did I group this together? Mm-mm-mm. Oh, it's acting screwy, y'all. Let me go out of here. Okay, savings trackers. Let me show y'all how to edit this on your own. Let's go with the little piggies right here. Okay, here's the temp. Let's say I wanted to change the name of this to SDB Budgeting Challenge. Okay, now what I could do here. See, just edit the font size. And also, if I want to change the font, I can change the font to whatever, like that right there. And when it goes for this right here, you can also change this savings for, let's say, savings for spa day. And let's say I wanted to change the information on here and the start of it. Let's say I'm going to start it January 15th. And the amount I want it saved, let's say I'm going to do it up. I want to save $700. And let's say I want my goal date to be let's say June 10th. Okay. So I can get these little piglets here and go over here to text. Add a text here. And let's say I want to make each one $20. There's 35 of them. No, bold it. Bold. There's 25 of them. Well, there's 35 of them. And I want $20 each. So I'll have 700 when I fill in all of the piglets here. And I want to make the size bigger. Okay. So right there, $20 each one. And all I got to do is just copy, which is duplicate, and get this little arrow right here, the little purple, look like the 4 arrows, and just put it in the middle. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. This one right here, duplicate. Right here, and then duplicate, and just do this and fill in all the little piglets. So you can just do all this right here, and once you finish, all you got to do is print it out, and it's complete. Or you can print it out and laminate it. And you know, I just bought some of these single-sided laminated sheets, self-laminated, so you don't need any kind of machines or anything like that. I'm gonna try these out to see how it goes. My sister told me about these, but I got them at Walmart. I think they were like $10 at Walmart for a pack of 10 of them. They're 9-inch by 12-inch. So print these out. I'm gonna try to self-sealing lamination, do that, and whenever I fill it out, I can just color it in with a marker. When I'm through with it, spray some water on it, wipe it off, and reusable. If you date it though, if you put a date on it, then you're gonna have to go and print off another one and edit the date, or you can just leave it blank, or you can leave all the dates on this one blank. You can leave the dates blank and just write them in. So I can just leave these dates blank, and once I print it out, I can just write in the dates, so you don't have to worry about reprinting it. But I need to make this bigger. This is tiny. I'm trying to get inside this little box here. Oh, these look little things like this. Okay, there we go, y'all. A tiny little box. I'm gonna make that bigger, but leave this date. I'm gonna group these together. Mm. See, I'm making this box a little bit bigger. I want these numbers to be. And I can just, this is how you do it. And the gold date. So, yep, that's just a quick on how to edit up one of these sheets. But there's different ones, like I said. You like the money pot one, customize it, change it up, add your amounts. You can decide, whether or not you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way to 42, I think it is, and save $1 a day, or you can $5 each jar, or $5 the first row, 10. Do it any way you want to. It's personalized to you and your finances. So Anyways, that was just a quick overview on how to make these in Canva, the Savings Challenge worksheet. So if y'all have any comments or questions, please let me know. Um, Please subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I will talk to you later. Bye.